All right, let's say that you have your table at the database and you know the names of the columns. So here, for example, you have the main column, which is basically the index column, and here are the all other columns. So now what you do is you want to fill your table in here. You just use this function, get tabled atoms and bonds. Here I'm going to use B3 has the labels to search the table. I'm going to also use B3 for the name of the index column, and I'm going to use the rest of the 3 line for my other columns. So okay, now it's already searching for the table. Because it doesn't have any other column, it only search for the index column. But let's say, for example, that I put here website. It will search for the table including the website. Or I put here as phone. It will search for the table with all those 3. But now I don't want the phone, I just want the live-in. And it will give me the place where the people live in, the customer live in. So let's say, for example, I just want to see these ones as well, the country or the company where the customer works, and only the last name. So I would say that this is it. If I want, I can just mix them as well as I wish. So I just do like this, for example, and I see my table filtered out. That's it. I hope you like it.